How to connect Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Gen 1, step-by-step, for Xbox One, Xbox Series X, Xbox-specific model. Step 1. Plug in the wireless USB transmitter into your Xbox. Step 2. Power on the headset. Slide the power mode switch until the LED flashes. Step 3. Pairing. Press and hold the connect button on the headset until its LED flashes rapidly. Step 4. The transmitter's LED will blink while searching, then light solid once paired. You're good to go. Audio and chat should now work wirelessly. For PC, using USB transmitter, Step 1. Insert the USB transmitter into your PC. Step 2. Open Windows, Settings, Devices, Bluetooth, and Other Devices, Add Device. Step 3. Place headset into pairing mode. Press and hold the connect button until the LED flashes rapidly. Step 4. Select Stealth 600 when it appears to pair audio. For PS4 specific model. Step 1. Insert the transmitter into a USB port on your PS4. Step 2. Press and hold the transmitter's pairing button until its LED flashes rapidly. Step 3. Turn on the headset, then press and hold its power pairing button until rapid flashing. Step 4. Once the LEDs sync, connection is complete.